What's up, guys, and today we are going to be making a turkey and cheese sandwich, guys. This is how to do it. First, we go into the fridge and we find some turkey. Wowee! What a coincidence. And now we find some cheese.
Would you like Colby Jack, sliced pepper jack, mild cheddar, Mexican style cheese blend, or just some regular American Kraft?
I gotta go with the classic American Kraft single.
You got it.
And now,
How about mayo? Mustard? Ketchup? Ranch?
chicken nugget.
Ranch!
Doug! So guys, normally people would put mayonnaise, pickles, mustard on there, right? But what are we trying today, G-Daddy, on our delicious turkey and cheese sandwich? We are trying some yogurt ranch, guys. Like your hat, by the way. Now in the air fryer, we toast the bread. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can always use a toaster. And guys, voila, the bread is ready. Now time to make your sandwich. Guys, here we go on the cheese. Okay, guys, so we lift here.
Easy open, resealable, lift here.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's get our delicious slice of turkey out.
How many slices should we do?
What? How about we go with 2?
2.
Okay,
2 it is.
2 it is. Kind of like the Dos Amigos fantasy team.
That's right.
Wait, isn't that our fantasy team?
It is.
And now we go 1/2 of that, and then the other, and then we put the ranch on, guys. We put it on the ranch. So, oh, it's a new package, so we get to open it. Okay, and now, not too much, but not too little, Granddaddy. And now we do ranch there, and now we lift up the rest, put some on there, and then slab it all together, and you got yourself a fine old turkey sandwich. Now we cut, and now you got yourself a delicious turkey and cheese sandwich. Alright guys, so for the final step, you want to eat it. After all the hard work and labor, you want to eat it. Okay, so let's taste test it in 3, 2, 1.
How is it?
Very good.